So far there's only been the first and second sessions. In terms of the organization, I think it's very interesting the fact that they organize few presentations and then a panel discussion for each of these big topics. I think it's telling a lot about the fact that the purpose of this meeting is really to start finding actions and working together.
It's great being here, and it's super nice to meet people in person and chat over the coffee breaks and get to know one another a bit better and not only meet over Zoom.
So there are a lot of activities that EMBL and SciLifeLab both work on, independently. What I see as a potential coming from this meeting is really that we start communicating, even just that, communicating more and aligning these kind of initiatives.
I think the collaborations that we have today is mainly being involved in joint training sessions and being speakers at one another's courses and so on. That's the main. And then of course on the more research side, we have had PhD students visiting other labs and some joint publications.
So training at EMBL is really an heterogeneous entity. It includes several different initiatives that were born in different moments of the past. And the data sciences initiative is trying to merge them all together and make them more heterogeneous. My advice for any kind of institution that is starting its own training initiative would be to really look careful at what is there already, because I cannot believe that there's no training activity that is already happening. It might be a bit undercover, it might be an underground thing that peers are self-organizing. So I would say to start to recognize and look at what is already there.
Well, EMBL is a fantastic European network, and I think SciLifeLab is almost like an EMBL node, and I think that SciLifeLab can also contribute to EMBL, especially now with the new DDLS initiative with really strong focus and lots of funding going into data-driven life science. And it's very satisfying to see that this is a way forward that a lot of people believe in, and connecting the two fields more and more, and creating a lot of excitement about the possibilities of joining the two research areas.